Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.8 remaining sums. Sixth sum. Find the sums to n terms of the series. Given 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 etc. to n terms. First write the question and that decimal you convert into fraction. So 4 by 10. So that means 0.4 into 10 by 10. If you multiply comes means that a decimal point move to the right side. So it will come 4 by 10. Like that you write it text 1 44 by 100 plus 444 by 1000 to n terms. Next you take it common 4 and inside the bracket you write it 1 by 10 plus 11 by 100 plus 111 by 1000 etc. to n terms. Further simplification we can write, so that 1 by 10 we can write it 9 by 9 into 10. So 9 by 9 means if you cancel 9 by 9 it will come 1 by 10. It's okay. So that 4 by here 9 you take it outside and you write it 9 by 10 inside the bracket and 9 by 10, 99 by 100 and 999 by 1000 etc. to n terms. After that 9 by 10 how will you write? 9 by 10 1 minus 1 by 10. That means if you cross multiply 10 ones are 10, 10 minus 1 9 by 10 will come. So we can write it 1 minus 1 for 9 by 10 we can write it as 1 minus 1 by 10 plus bracket of 1 minus 1 by 100 plus bracket of 1 minus 1 by 1000 etc. n terms. After you take it to 1 separately. So bracket of 1 plus 1 plus 1 etc. n terms minus of bracket 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 1000 etc. n terms. So first 1 plus 1 plus 4 by 9 you write it in outside. N terms means you write it n minus 1 by 10 means what is a here? 1 by 10. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. What is r? 1 by 100 by 10 by 1. So 1 by 100 into 10 by 1. That is it will cancel. So r is 1 by 10. So you can write it as 1 minus 1 by 10 whole to the power n by 1 minus 1 by 10. So here also 1 minus 1 by 10 is what? 9 by 10. 1 minus 1 by 10 is 9 by 10. So you write the reciprocal 1 by 10 into 10 by 9. So that 10 and 10 will cancel. So here 1 by 9 will come. So answer is 4 by 9 bracket of n minus 1 by 9 bracket of 1 minus 1 by 10 whole to the power n. Second sum 3 plus 33 plus 333. First 3 expand, you can write it as 3 into 1 plus 33 3 into 11 plus 3 into 111. So here you take it 3 common. So 1 plus, if inside the bracket you can write it as 1 plus 11 plus 111 etc. in terms. And after that further simplification you write it in 9 by 9. What is 9 by 9? It will come 1. So 11 means 99 by 11 plus 111 means 999 by 11. So you can take it that 9 also common outside. So you can write it as 3 by 9 into 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus etc. n terms. After that you can write it as 9, 10 minus 1. 100 and minus 1, 99. 1000 minus 1, 999 etc. n terms. After you can separately write it 10 plus 100 plus 1000 one bracket etc. n terms, and minus 1 you can write as minus take it common 1 plus 1 plus 1 etc. n terms. After here we can use the GP formula. What is A? 10. What is R? 100 by 10? 10. So here R is greater than 1. 10 is greater than 1. So you can use it as A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. That formula. So you can write it as 3 by 9 10 into A 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 is 9. Here you put it one bracket minus n. Next, you can multiply with each term. 3 into 10, so 30. 9 into 9, 81. Into 10 to the power n minus 1. Minus 3 into n, 3n by 9. After you cancel with the 3, 10 3s are 30. Here 2 3s are 6, 7. So 10 by 27. 10 to the power n minus 1 minus here also you cancel it n by 3. So answer is 10 by 27 into 10 to the power n minus 1 minus n by 3. Understood, students? Next, seventh one. Find the sum of geometric series 3 plus 6 plus 12 etc. 1536. So geometric series means GP. So here what is A? 3. What is R? T2 by T1, that is 6 by 3, 2. Tn equal to 1536. First we have to find out n. After only we can use the Sn formula. So how will you find n? So you use this formula A into R to the power n minus 1 equal to Tn. So here our Tn is 1536. So you substitute the value. A is 3, R is 2. So 2 power n minus 1 equal to 1536. So that left side 3 will go to the right hand side, means it is divide. So cancel it. 1 3 is 3, 5 3s are 15, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. Therefore 2 power n minus 1 equal to 512. How will you write it? Is 2 power 9, 512, 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Next 1, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. Next 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Next 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 1 2 is 2 6. Next 2 8 2s are 16. 2 4 2s are 8. Next 2. Here you see how many 2s? 3, 6 and 9. So 2 to the power 9. Here base is equal means power you can equate. So n minus 1 equal to 9. Minus 1 will go to the right hand side plus 1. So 9 plus 1 n is 10. So here R is what? 2. R is 2. 2 greater than 1. So you can use this formula Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Here we will find S10. So S10 equal to 3 into 2 to the power 10 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So here 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 into 2 to the power 10. Now only we will find it what? 2 to the power 9. What is that? 512. Therefore 512 2 to the power 9. So you can multiply 1 2 to the power 10. 2 2 5s are 10. So 2 to the power 10 is 1024. So 1024 minus 1, 1023. After you multiply 3 into 1023, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 0 0, 3 1s are 3. So answer is S10 equal to 3069 is the answer. Next, 8th sum. Kumar writes a letter to 4 of his friends. He asks each one of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons with the instruction that they continue the process similarly, assuming that the process is unaltered and it costs rupees 2 to mail one letter. Find the amount spent on postage when 8th set of letters is mailed. First data, the number of mails divided. First Kumar writes a letter to 4. So that is first one, 4. After he asked one of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 friends. So one friend is mail to 4 means 4 friends, 4 into 4. After that persons continue the process similarly. So next 4 into 4 into 4. This is given data. So 4, 16, 64, etc. 8th set of letters. So email cost rupees 2. The total cost is, so you can multiply 4 into 2 plus 16 into 2 plus 64 into 2. Etc. 8th set. So multiply 4 2s are 8, 16 2s are 32, 64 2s are 128. Okay, 8th set. So here we form geometric series GP. So here A is 8, R is 32 by 8, 4, and N is 8. R is greater than 1 only, so you can use it in this formula. Sn equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. S8 equal to 8 into 4 to the power 8 minus 1 by R minus 1, 3. 4 to the power 8, how will you find? 4 into 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 4. Here you 4 into 4 16, 16 into 16 256 into here also 256. 256 into 256 you multiply and you get the answer 65,536. So minus 1 means 65,535 by 3. After you cancel, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3, 8 3s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 50. So 21 845. After you multiply, 8 5s are 44, 8 4s are 32 plus 4 36, 3, 8 8s are 64 plus 3 67, 6, 8 1s are 8 plus 6 14, 1, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. Therefore that find the amount. The amount is 1,74,760. Ninth sum. Find the rational form of the number 0.123 bar. So here we take it and let x equal to, write the sum 0.123 bar. Bar means we can write it that number again. So 1 2 3 means 1 2 3 1 2 3. So next first we can multiply with the 1000, because here point after 3 digits given means you can multiply by 1000. If you multiply, that a point will move to the right hand side, and here we get the whole number 123 point. That means 0 0.123 123 123 into 1000 means that a point 1 2 3. So 123.123 it will come. Next step. So here point after this 1 2 3 also we can write it as bar. So 1000x equal to 123.123 bar. So next step we can, this is x equal to 0.123 is first equation. 1000x equal to 123.123 is second equation. You can subtract 2 minus 1. So 1000x minus x, 999x. 123.123 minus 0.123 means 123 minus 0, 123. 0.123, 0. So 123 is the answer. So next step, x equal to that left hand side 999, that is multiply. It will go to the right hand side, it will come divide. So x equal to 123 by 999. You cancel with 333. Here 4 3s are 12, 1 3 is 3. So x equal to 41 by 333. 10th sum. Sn equal to x plus y bracket plus bracket of x squared plus xy plus y squared plus bracket of x cube plus x squared y plus xy squared plus y cube, etc. n terms. We have to prove that x minus y into Sn equal to x squared into x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 minus y squared into y power n minus 1 by y minus 1. First, we can write it that question Sn equal to x plus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared plus x cube plus x squared y plus xy squared plus y cube, etc. n terms. You multiply with x minus y both sides. So you get it x minus y into Sn equal to, first term here x plus y, you multiply x minus y into x plus y. Second term multiply with x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared. Plus third term x minus y into x cube plus x squared y plus xy squared plus y cube, etc. n terms. Next, this is algebraic formula a plus b into a minus b, that is a squared minus b squared, here x squared minus y squared. Next also one formula a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared is a cube plus b cube, here x cube plus y cube. Here a minus b into a cube plus a squared y, a squared b plus ab squared plus b cube is x power 4 minus y power 4 here. So next you can separately write it x squared, x cube and x power 4 into n terms, that is equal to minus of y squared plus y cube plus y power 4, etc. n terms. Here geometric series, therefore you can write it as a is x squared and r is x cube by x squared. X cube by x squared is cancel. So here cancel means 1 is there. So x power x, r is x. And next also a equal to y squared, r equal to y cube by y squared is y. Here Sn equal to, you use this formula, Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So you can write it as x minus y into Sn. What is a? X squared into x power r is x. x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 minus y squared, here second a is y squared into y power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Therefore, it is LHS equal to RHS. That is proved. Okay, students. Next exercise we will see in the next class. Thank you.